Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll show you how I realized this coily hair using expression braid. So if you want to know how, please stay tuned and don't go away. And if today is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a very big thumbs up if it is helpful as well. So I'll be using I used 1.5 expression braid for this tutorial, a wig cap, solo tape, needle and thread, closure net, and the crochet pin for this tutorial. I also use rollers and hot water for this tutorial. So we're going to start crocheting the hair into the wig cap. We'll crochet it till when we get to the front, where we'll now sew in the closure net, and we'll start making our own closure.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
He never answers me. When I call, he makes me feel so lonely. Didn't think you'd give up so easily. Yesterday and left, it feels so far away. I miss the old days. Memories of us keep killing me slowly. You don't really care, don't want you to hold me. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If
it makes me feel so lonely. Didn't think you'd give up so easily. Yesterday and laughter feels so far away. I miss the old days. Memories of us keep killing me slowly. You don't really care, don't want you to hold me. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
He never answers me. When I call, it makes me feel so lonely. Didn't think you'd give up so easily. Yesterday and laughter feels so far away. I miss the old days. Memories of us keep killing me slowly. You don't really care, don't want you to hold me. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel.
So after I finish crocheting in the hair, I'm going to use this rollers to roll the hair extension. But first of all, I applied this hair straightener to help straighten the hair and for the coils to come out very well the way I wanted it. So after I finish applying it, I'll start rolling it on the rollers. So I'm going to squeeze and wrap round on the rollers till I get to the ending part of the rollers. Then we'll now put it inside hot water, and voila, the coils will be ready. But before I will put it inside the hot water, I will pour a conditioner inside the hot water. Then I will soak the hair inside it so that it will give us the color we were looking for. I just hope this video is helpful. Like I said before, if today is your first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and I would like you to comment down below what you think about this hair. It came out very well. It was so bouncy, like it was so soft. Touching it was very bouncy and soft. It came out good, more than as I expected it. I love you guys. I'm gonna meet you next time in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl.